Hey everyone, get ready for a vital health tip today on our channel. We're diving into the world of kidneys, the unsung heroes of our health. These little bean-shaped organs do a heavy lifting job, from cleaning out waste to keeping our blood pressure in check. Yet, we often ignore them until problems arise. Trust me, keeping your kidneys in top shape is key to a vibrant life. While we're all about heart and brain health, our kidneys need love too. If they're happy, we're happy. But if they struggle, our health takes a hit. So, how can we ensure our kidneys are at their best? That's exactly what we're tackling today. We've got a powerhouse list of 8 foods that are like best friends to your kidneys. From delicious berries and greens to essential proteins, we'll show you how to nourish these vital organs. And there's more. We'll give you the lowdown on how to sneak these kidney-boosting foods into your meals for the biggest health kick. Stick with us to the end for all the insider tips to keep your kidneys running smoothly. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are often called small wonders of nature because they are full of things that are really good for your kidneys. These tiny fruits are full of antioxidants, especially something called anthocyanins. Antioxidants are great because they help fight inflammation. This is super important for keeping your kidneys healthy, since inflammation can be bad for them. By helping to reduce inflammation and protect against damage from harmful molecules in our bodies, blueberries basically help keep your kidneys safe and sound. There was even a research study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry that supports how good blueberries are for your kidneys. The natural stuff found in blueberries acts like a shield for your kidneys, helping to prevent damage and keep your whole body in good shape. What's really cool about blueberries and why they're extra good for your kidneys has to do with what's inside them. They don't have much sodium, which is good because too much salt can be a problem for kidneys, and they have a lot of water. This helps keep your blood pressure in check and makes sure you have the right balance of fluids in your body, which is super important for your kidneys to work right. Your kidneys have this big job of filtering out waste and extra water from your blood, and for them to do that well, having the right blood pressure and fluid levels is key. When you eat blueberries regularly, you're not just enjoying a tasty snack. You're doing something great for your kidneys. They help prevent problems that can harm your kidneys and are an important part of keeping your kidneys strong and healthy. You can eat blueberries in so many fun ways, by themselves, blended into a smoothie, or as a yummy topping on your yogurt. No matter how you like them, adding blueberries to your diet is a tasty and smart way to help take care of your kidneys. 2. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are like a wonderful present from nature. Think of them as a big refreshing drink for your kidneys because they're filled with water. This helps keep your kidneys hydrated and happy, working without any trouble. What's more, cucumbers don't have much sodium. That's great news because too much sodium can make your blood pressure go up, and keeping it at a healthy level is important for your heart and kidneys. But wait, there's more. Cucumbers are packed with superhero nutrients like vitamin C and beta-carotene. They act like guards for your kidneys, fighting off the bad guys called free radicals. These free radicals can harm your kidneys, so having cucumbers on your side is like having a shield to protect them. Cucumbers also have a special feature, compounds that calm down any inflammation, which is like having little firefighters ready to put out fires of swelling and irritation. This is especially good news because your kidneys aren't fans of long-term inflammation. For those who need to be mindful of their potassium and phosphorus intake due to specific kidney issues, cucumbers are an excellent choice. They have low levels of these minerals, so you can enjoy them without worry. There's even more good stuff about cucumbers. They help keep your body's pH level balanced. This balance is essential for your kidneys to work well. You can add cucumbers to your salads, eat them as a crunchy snack, or put some slices in your water to make it extra refreshing. Remember, by doing this, you're doing a huge favor for your kidneys. Cucumbers keep you hydrated, fight inflammation, protect against free radicals, and are kidney-friendly in terms of mineral content. Adding cucumbers to your diet is a simple step with big benefits for keeping your kidneys healthy. 3. Cauliflower. Let's dive into why cauliflower is an excellent choice for keeping your kidneys healthy. First up, cauliflower is like a superhero for your kidneys because it has very little potassium and phosphorus. These are 2 minerals that, if we eat too much of them, can make our kidneys work too hard. Choosing cauliflower means you get to enjoy a yummy veggie, while also making things easier for your kidneys to do their job. But wait, there's more. Cauliflower is full of fiber, which is great for a couple of reasons. Fiber helps with digestion, making sure that your body can get rid of waste and toxins smoothly. This process keeps your kidneys from being overwhelmed and supports your overall health too. Now, onto antioxidants. Cauliflower is packed with them, including vitamin C and manganese. Think of antioxidants as the bodyguards for your kidneys. They protect your kidneys from harm caused by inflammation and oxidative stress, which can hurt your kidneys if left unchecked. By adding cauliflower to your meals, you're helping to prevent kidney damage. And let's not forget about salt. Watching how much salt, sodium, you eat is super important for keeping your kidneys in good shape, because too much salt can increase blood pressure and make your kidneys work harder. Cauliflower is naturally low in sodium, lining up perfectly with the goal to watch your salt intake. The cherry on top? Cauliflower is super versatile in cooking. You can roast it to get a yummy crispy treat, mash it up for a comforting side dish, or toss it into a stir-fry for some extra crunch. This means you can enjoy all the benefits of cauliflower for your kidneys in a ton of delicious ways. 4. Fish. Fish is an amazing food that's really good for you, especially because it has high-quality protein. This kind of protein is super important because it helps fix damaged tissues. This fixing job is crucial for keeping our kidneys, the organs that clean our blood, working well. When you eat fish, you're not just having a tasty meal, you're actually helping your kidneys work better. Now let's talk about something extra special in some fish like salmon and mackerel. These fish are full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are really good at fighting inflammation. Inflammation is bad news for your kidneys and can cause damage over time. So, eating these types of fish is like giving your kidneys a shield to protect them from harm. But there's more good news about omega-3s. They also help your blood flow better, which is super important for your kidneys. Your kidneys need good blood flow to clean your blood properly. Plus, omega-3s are great for keeping your blood pressure in check, and having stable blood pressure is key for healthy kidneys. Another awesome thing about fish is that it's low in saturated fats, which is great news for your heart and your kidneys. Eating a lot of saturated fats can lead to heart disease, something that often goes hand in hand with kidney problems. So, by choosing fish for your protein, you're also making a heart-healthy choice that's good for your kidneys. In short, adding fish to your meals is a tasty way to help your kidneys. It's all about giving your body the nutrients it needs while also enjoying your food. Eating fish regularly is a smart choice for your health today and helps keep your kidneys happy in the long run. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is a key part of the famous Mediterranean diet, and it's really good for us, including our kidneys. It has a lot of healthy fats that help fight inflammation and take care of our blood vessels. This is super important for our kidneys to work well and clean our blood properly, keeping everything in balance. Olive oil is also full of antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols. These help protect our cells from damage, especially in our kidneys. This is important because when our kidneys get stressed and damaged over time, it can lead to serious problems. Adding olive oil to our food can act like a natural shield for our kidneys. One of the big benefits of olive oil is that it helps control blood pressure. Since high blood pressure can hurt our kidneys, using olive oil can be a good way to keep our kidneys safe. The healthy fats in olive oil are great for keeping blood pressure in a good range, which is crucial for keeping our kidneys healthy. Olive oil also helps stop inflammation, which can prevent kidney problems before they start. Long-term inflammation can cause serious damage to our kidneys, so using olive oil is a smart move to keep them healthy. Plus, olive oil is really versatile in cooking. Whether you're making a salad dressing, cooking veggies, or just drizzling it over your favorite dish, it's an easy and tasty way to help your kidneys. This means eating well for your kidneys can also be delicious, making it more likely you'll stick with it. Olive oil makes it simple and enjoyable to look after our kidney health every day. 6. Garlic. Garlic is truly a superstar ingredient, mainly because of something called allicin. This mighty substance is what makes garlic so powerful. It's packed with qualities that can fight off cell damage and swelling, acting like a superhero shield for your kidneys. It works hard to lessen two big kidney enemies, oxidative stress and inflammation, which, if unchecked, can hurt your kidneys over time. This makes eating garlic a smart strategy to keep your kidneys strong. But garlic's magic doesn't stop there. It's also a big deal for managing your blood pressure. Keeping a healthy blood pressure is super important for your kidneys' well-being. Garlic helps here too. Thanks to allicin and other good stuff in garlic, it helps your blood vessels relax and improves blood flow. This means your blood pressure can stay in check, taking some pressure off your kidneys. And there's even more good stuff about garlic. It's like a natural defender against infections, thanks to its abilities to fight bacteria and fungus. This is especially beneficial for anyone with weaker kidneys, as infections can be a big problem for them. On top of all this, garlic is like a cheerleader for your immune system, giving it a nice boost. For someone worrying about their kidneys, having a strong immune system is key. It means your body is better equipped to fend off health issues. So, by adding garlic to your meals, you're not just making your food tastier. You're also making a smart choice for your kidneys. Every time you enjoy a meal with garlic, you're doing something good for your kidney health. It's a simple kitchen choice, but it could have big positive effects for your kidneys in the long run. 7. Onions. Onions aren't just tasty, they're also great for your kidneys. One of the main reasons onions are good for kidney health is because they have low levels of potassium. This is important because too much potassium can be a problem for our kidneys, and keeping it balanced is key to keeping them working well. But that's not all onions have to offer. They're full of antioxidants and flavonoids, which are like nature's super defenders. These substances help fight off inflammation in our bodies, making our overall health better and helping our kidneys stay healthy and happy. Because onions are packed with antioxidants, they're super good at reducing inflammation. This matters a lot for our kidneys because when they're less inflamed, they're less likely to get damaged as time goes by. This can really help keep your kidneys in good shape for the long haul. Another cool thing about onions is that they have chromium. Chromium is a trace mineral, meaning we only need it in small amounts, but it plays a big role in controlling blood sugar levels. For people who have kidney issues, managing blood sugar is really important, and onions can help with that. So, when you choose to eat onions, you're doing something awesome for your kidneys. You're not just picking a food that tastes good. You're picking one that supports your kidneys in many ways. Onions help lessen the workload on your kidneys, making it easier for them to filter out waste and keep everything balanced inside your body. In short, adding onions to your diet is a small change that can make a big difference to the health of your kidneys over time. They're a simple addition to meals that can lead to big positive outcomes for your kidney health. 8. Apples. First off, apples are packed with something called dietary fiber, which is really good for you. This fiber helps your stomach break down food and also makes you feel full, so you won't eat too much. This is why apples are an important part of a healthy diet. When you eat apples as part of your meals, you're helping your digestive system work better. This means your body can take in vitamins and minerals from your food more effectively. Apples also have something called antioxidants. These are important because they protect the cells in your kidneys from being damaged by oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can harm cells over time, so it's great that apples can help prevent this. Eating apples regularly is like giving your kidneys a shield to keep them safe and healthy. Another cool thing about apples is that they don't have a lot of potassium. Too much potassium can make it hard for your kidneys to do their job, so the low amount in apples is actually a good thing for keeping your kidneys running smoothly. By eating apples often, you're helping your kidneys stay in tip-top shape. Apples also have a type of fiber that helps control blood sugar levels. This is super helpful for people who need to watch their blood sugar, especially if they're worried about diabetes affecting their kidneys. So, including apples in your diet can also help keep your blood sugar levels steady. On top of all these benefits, apples are full of important nutrients like vitamins and minerals, and they even help keep you hydrated. So, by eating apples, you're not just enjoying a tasty snack but also giving your body lots of good stuff to stay healthy and happy. Eating the right kinds of food is like giving your kidneys a big hug. These two bean-shaped organs in your body work hard every day to clean your blood and get rid of waste. Just like any other part of your body, they need the right nutrients to work well. Think of your diet as a toolbox for kidney health. When you fill this toolbox with good stuff, like blueberries, cucumbers, cauliflower, fish, olive oil, garlic, onions, and apples, you're making sure your kidneys have everything they need. These foods are like power food for your kidneys, helping them do their job and keep you feeling great. But remember, not everyone's the same. What works for one person might not work for another. So it's a smart idea to chat with a doctor or a dietitian to figure out the best eating plan for you. They can help you pick the foods that will give your kidneys exactly what they need. Now, if you found all these tips helpful, please show some love. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those notifications. This way, you won't miss any of my videos full of health and nutrition tips. Your support means we can keep sharing helpful info with everyone. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video, and thanks for your support.